I think, Chair, Honorable Nyonka is a very experienced politician, but on issues dealing with the law, he can get it absolutely wrong. I think
Council, I would like, Chair, I would like, if Honorable Council thinks I'm not able to understand the law, to bring a substantive motion to this committee. We discuss that first before you can interrogate. What I am saying, Chair, I am here trying
Chair,
to...
you gave me the floor, I have not finished.
Just a minute, it's because you were talking about my character. I would like to state it very clearly, Chair. I'm trying to get information that can make me make intelligent decisions.
That we have taken too long. We are going to the chamber. And I want to tell people from Nyamira, honorable members, I think we are all here as leaders. You have been elected by people of Nyamira, and the entire Kenya is today looking at you. It's a very unfortunate situation. What I saw in that TV was so horrible. Because you're all friends, brothers and sisters. You're not enemies. So I want to go back to Nyamira and reconcile and serve the people of Nyamira so that they can be able to achieve the remaining few years, they can live in harmony. Finally, we have heard you. We have got all your documents. We will peruse through. We will take the legal connotations of everything that our legal team will work on it, and we'll give you feedback. But then this committee we have heard you. We have got all your documents. We will peruse through. We will take the legal connotations of everything that our legal team will work on it, and we'll give you feedback. But then this committee will take all the responsibility, and we will come there to sit with you, to sit with the governor, to sit with the public, so that at least we can all agree on the